So guys, Zorin OS 17 has been launched with lots of improvement and performance improvement. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do a clean install of Zorin OS. Some people may not know what is Zorin OS. So Zorin OS is Linux based distro which is developed on GNOME 2. So this is a combination of Mac OS, the Windows and the Chrome OS. Okay, so let's see how you can download or install it, and I will also give you a quick overview how it looks like on my real machine. So first thing, you need to visit the link in the description and navigate to this official Zorin OS website. In download section you will get here Zorin OS 17 Pro and Zorin OS. So Zorin OS 17 Pro is a paid version. If you want to spend some money, then you can go and pay for it. Otherwise you can just go download this Zorin OS 17 Core. If you have very low end system, you can download the light one. So just click on download and skip to download. It will automatically download the ISO file for you. Now we have downloaded the ISO. After that, download the Rufus software. Just open Rufus and select the ISO file which you have downloaded. And after that, just click on start, click OK, just click yes. Make sure you are backing up all the data from your USB drive because it is going to delete all the data from your USB drive. Now we have created the bootable USB of Zorin OS. So now plug your USB drive in your laptop or PC wherever you are going to install, and turn on your laptop and press the boot menu key. All the boot menus key you will get on screen and press accordingly, like Dell have F12. Select your USB drive here, and now you can see it is booting from USB drive. Try Zorin OS or install Zorin OS. So I'm going to show you the rest of the process using my virtual machine to get the clear video quality. Click on install Zorin OS, select the keyboard layout like English US and click continue. Here you can see erase disk install Zorin OS. Just click on install. So basically it will delete all the drives data. If you have C drive, D drive, click on install, click continue. After that you need to choose the location like India time and click continue. Here you need to set up your PC name and password. After that it will be automatically installed in your system. So now you can see we have successfully installed Zorin OS. Click on the start menu. It's look like Windows 11. So you will get the feel of Chrome OS, Windows and Mac OS. So just open Zorin OS appearance. From here you can change the theme, what type of theme you want. Like you want the never combined taskbar, so you can select this one. If you want Android OS, so you can select another one. So dark theme looks very natural and cool. You can customize many more things here, so I'm not going in that. And the famous thing is here jelly mode. So jelly mode is very interesting. You can see whenever you turn on, you get Mac OS animation here. And they also added some like snapping layout or tiling and cube things are here. So click on start button and you will see all the pre-installed or utilities apps here like Office, LibreOffice and some other utilities and some softwares. And they also improved the performance, and the RAM usage is very low. Like earlier it was using 2 GB, now they have reduced to 1.5 GB. And you can also customize your taskbar here, and a new app store you will get. And from the right side action center you can see power saving, night mode, and you can decrease the volume. You can also taking a screenshot by clicking on camera. You can also record a video here. You can see I'm recording video now. These all things you can do, and lock screen look like this. Here you can see calendar and do not disturb option. Just power off, you will see this kind of dialog here, and after that it will be shut down. So okay guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. So just let me know thoughts about this Zorin OS 17 in the comments.